Most people think medicine either supports or forbids certain sexual behaviors. But science doesn't work like morality. Medical science doesn't judge, it measures risk, biology, and health impact. So, today's question isn't moral, it's biological. Does medical science actually discourage anal sex, or does it simply explain the risks and realities of human anatomy? Let's look at what biology really says. Medicine doesn't operate on concepts like allowed or forbidden. It works on tissue structure, infection risk, injury probability, microbial exposure, long-term health outcomes. So when science evaluates any behavior, including anal sex, it asks only one thing: what are the biological consequences? Not cultural values, not religious beliefs, not social taboos, just physiology and risk. Biologically, the anus and rectum are designed for waste elimination, water absorption, microbial containment, not for penetration. Key biological facts: rectal tissue is thinner than vaginal tissue. It tears more easily. It has higher bacterial concentration. It lacks natural lubrication. It contains dense blood vessels. It has weaker immune barrier protection. This doesn't make the body wrong. It means function and structure are different. From a clinical perspective, risks include higher risk of tissue microtears, increased infection transmission, higher bacterial exposure, greater risk of inflammation, rectal bleeding, microbiome disruption, increased STI transmission probability, sphincter muscle injury with repeated trauma. So science doesn't say don't do it. Science says this anatomy is biologically vulnerable. Does medical science discourage anal sex? Here's the truth. Medical science does not morally discourage behaviors. It biologically categorizes risk. So the medical position is not prohibition, not endorsement, not moral framing, but risk awareness, harm reduction, informed decision making, public health guidance. Science says if people engage in this behavior, safety knowledge matters. Not ideology, not shame, not taboo, not silence. Modern medicine follows a harm reduction approach, meaning if humans engage in a behavior, educate, reduce injury, reduce infection, reduce long-term damage, reduce misinformation. Because silence increases harm, not knowledge. Biology versus culture. Culture defines taboo. Biology defines vulnerability. Society says this is inappropriate. Science says this tissue is fragile. Two completely different languages. Taboo is social, risk is biological. So the scientific position is simple. Medical science does not discourage behaviors. It defines anatomical limits, biological risks, and health outcomes. It replaces judgment with data. It replaces shame with education. It replaces taboo with understanding. Science isn't here to tell humans what to desire. It's here to explain how the body works. Biology doesn't condemn. Biology informs. And informed humans make safer choices. Understanding the body is not vulgar. Ignoring biology is. That's all about today's video. If you found this video fascinating, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.